everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech Basics. In this video, we are going to be learning how to find your member number on AustralianSuper. So without wasting much of our time, let's dive into the video. So the first thing to do is to open a web browser. Go to the URL box and type in AustralianSuper.com. From the main homepage, go to the upper right corner and mouse over to the login button and click on member login. You will now find yourself in the login portal for AustralianSuper. Go ahead and type in your username and password associated with your account. After you are done filling in the details, click sign in or log in and you will now be logged into your AustralianSuper account. On the left hand side of the main homepage, scroll down and you will then be able to find your member number. If you don't see your member number there, feel free to contact AustralianSuper for assistance. That is how it's easily done. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press on the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.